Hi there, and welcome to the Duquesne University Small Business Development Center. I'm excited to give you a quick virtual tour of our website so you can easily find everything you need to start and grow your business. Let's start with the Request for Consulting tab. This is where you can sign up for our no-cost, confidential business consulting. After answering a few short questions about you and your business, you'll be assigned to one of our experienced business consultants who can assist you along your business journey. Next, under the About tab, you will find our center overview, which outlines our mission, values, and the areas we serve. You will also find our staff page, where you can learn more about our experienced and dedicated team of business consultants. Have questions on starting a business, buying a business, or looking for ways to fund your business? The Consulting drop-down menu is your one-stop shop for everything business-related. You'll find a great number of resources on a wide array of topics, including funding, technology commercialization, and international trade. Our blog is full of valuable tips, news, and insights for small business owners. From marketing strategies to funding opportunities, it's a great resource to stay informed. Looking to build your skills? Head over to our workshop calendar of events. We host a variety of in-person and virtual training sessions every month, perfect for learning, networking, and growing your business toolkit. Need a little inspiration? Visit the Our Clients tab to see how real, local entrepreneurs turn their ideas into thriving businesses with a little help from us. And of course, if you ever have questions, the Contact Us page is just a click away. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining me on this quick tour. Explore the site, reach out, and let's build something great together. Thank you.